What is going on, guys? Now this is the new channel. Finally, after so many requests, please Ninja make a channel only for top 100 coins, serious trading, no new coins, anything, only about trading, technical analysis, all that kind of stuff. Well, we are gonna start today. This is gonna be the first video on the channel, the Money Ninja's top 100 coins trading. You actually want to check out my main channel, which has around 10,000 subscribers. Go and check it out here. It's gonna be a link here. Just click and you're gonna be able to go there and subscribe as well if you are looking for new projects to get in with huge potential but also huge risk. Anyway, this channel is only gonna be for top 100 coins trading, like ADA, Cardano, all that kind of stuff, Solana, DOT. So we are gonna learn about technical analysis, trading, only that all day long. I'm gonna make 1 or 2 videos a day. I'm gonna try my best to post every single day at least 1 video. Anyway, now I'm quite busy, so I wanna try my best. Remember to subscribe if you want to support. Let's see if we can get to 1,000 subscribers soon. And yeah, let's begin. Today we are gonna talk about Solana. I'm gonna give you a trade on Solana. We are gonna check it out because it's been doing crazy lately and I have so many requests on Solana. I made 2 trades on Solana on the VIP membership. It's gonna be a link to my Telegram group in the description. Go and check it out as well if you want to join. And also, let's do a small update on the cryptocurrency market at the moment. Now, with a $2.1 trillion market cap, we went from 1.2 to 2.1 in just a few days. That was a really impressive pump. Bitcoin already at $50,000. Long time we don't see it there. We saw it around $29,000, which is impressive. We have ADA at 281 tomorrow or maybe tonight. I'm gonna make a video about ADA. We are going to talk about Solana today because, as I said, this is one of my favorite projects and today it's down like 5%. We are waiting for the next entry for Solana, so we are going to go to the chart and let's see what is going to happen there. Now, I made a trade on Solana. The last trade that I made, I bought it at first at $25 and the second entry was around 20, but it didn't went down. As you see here, we had the entry, we bought it at $25 and then we sold it around 30 at 35. Actually, we didn't sold it at 30 because we saw it was pumping really hard, so we sold it at $35 right here. But that was a little bit of we were rushed. Well, the market wasn't doing that great. We see this was the last high, and we of course got a trade with that. We said, well, we are gonna wait for the last high and then buy here, so and then sell. So we sold it around $35, which was the most realistic target. But of course, no one can know what's gonna happen. And after that, we had the massive pump, all the way up to $80. Like from $35 to $80, that's over 150% there, which is pretty impressive. And of course, if you look at the chart now, you say, but Ninja, why do you sell at 35? Well, you never know what's going to happen, and you gotta be you gotta trade responsibly. So you don't know, you gotta take purchase. Now my entry, I have my exit, I follow that as a robot. I don't follow feelings or whatever it is. I just get in and get out when I reach my entry. Well, now it's dropping a little bit, and I'm gonna tell you what is gonna be my next entry. It's actually the price goes down because we don't know if it's gonna happen, but most likely it is gonna happen at some point. There is always gonna be another dip. Now, the first entry, let me delete all this because at the end of the day, we don't need it. And this is my setup for Solana. We used it many times. We made like 2 or 3 trades already on Solana, and the first entry was 25. Let's delete that. And yeah, now what is going to happen? Well, I'm not going to buy at $74. Even if the price keep on pumping, I don't care. I'm not going to buy here because it is dangerous always, and I just want to try to buy it as cheap as I can. Now, my first entry, realistic entry, the price goes down, is going to be around here. Now, I'm going to try to buy around $50, $55 or 50, something like this. That is going to be the best entry for me at the moment. If I see the price drops a little bit to $55, $50, something like this, and we see a retracement, something like this. Let me show you. So you see the price goes down and then you see something like this. If we see that confirmation or bullish confirmation, we are gonna get in. Anyway, $55 is still really expensive. If we have another massive crash like we had before around here, we are gonna be in trouble. So we gotta wait for the confirmation. That is the most important thing. No confirmation, I'm not gonna buy even at $50. I gotta wait for the bullish confirmation like this. We have a downtrend and then we have the uptrend. That is gonna be the confirmation. And also we are highly overbought, so that is something that worries me a lot. But sometimes we had this breakout, we are overbought, and then we had the massive pump, which was exactly what happened here. You see overbought and then massive pump. Some people, you know, some people, traders, also trade the RSI. When the price is overbought, they buy it, and when the price oversold, they sell it. But I use it different. I try to see what is going on with the price. For example, here I saw that it was near oversold, so I bought. Actually, the price went up, and most of the time this works in the way that I use it. But sometimes we have these breakouts. They are impressive, like really impressive. Anyway, as I say, my first entry is going to be around $55 for the simple reason that it's going to be a little bit less dangerous. And then if the price keep on dropping, as if we see at 23, 24 Solana again, which I know what you're gonna say, like, Ninja, that is impossible, from $80 to $20. And let me tell you, it is not impossible. I had so many people tell me when the price was around $56 or $60 here, it is impossible that we are gonna see a Solana at 20 or 25 again. And we saw it. We saw Solana at $18. So it's really easy for the price to go from here to here in just a few days. Even if we have a crash, if we have some bad news, if we have from FUD like we had before, easily we are gonna see a massive crash. And I always wait for this massive crash to actually buy, because they give you way more gains. We closed like 12 trades, all in profits, not even one loss. If you don't believe me, go and check out my the Money Ninja Selling group. I'm gonna give you all the resume there. You can actually ask the members. But that was impressive. I mean, really impressive. We closed all the trades, not even one close. Today we only have one trade open, which is DOT. Haven't been able to close DOT. We're waiting for the at least 50% gains on DOT, and then we are going to be able to close it. But only one trade from around 12 or 11 trades, which is pretty mind-blowing. So if you gotta do your own research, this is just me trying to teach you guys technical analysis. How do I manage things? At the end of the day, you guys gotta decide if you want to buy it or not. You can buy all these projects on Binance or Crypto.com or whatever. These are top projects. It's not a scam or whatever it is. They have been for years on the market, and these are the ones that the low risk, lead the most difficult to make gains. For example, in the new project, you can make it 100x if you get lucky. Like, you can invest $1,000 and make a $500,000. But here is going, we are talking about 50% gains, 40%, 100% gains sometimes when the market is good. But we are not aiming here for getting rich quick. This is more like a lifestyle. You're going to be a trader for long term. You focus on the long term, and then you're going to be able to actually like maximize your gains. Make 40% here, 30%, 40%, 50%, 20% here. So you're going to be able to actually grow a portfolio in a few years and actually have a good amount of money to then be able to make a lot of money every single day, which is what I do. I'm a full-time trader. I'm not rich. I'm no millionaire. I never pretend to be. I'm just a normal boy, but I do have a living out of trading. This is what I do all day. Also YouTuber and trader, but I'm not rich. I'm not get there yet. I've been trading for a few years now. Anyway, I love it. Now I have my strategy. That's why I most of the time never have losing trades that I close. Of course, we have downtrends. Sometimes we are in deep, like 20 or 30% on a loose trade, but it means we don't know close it, because all the idea behind the trade is there. So we know exactly what can we expect, how many entries we have, when to is the time that we actually have to close it because it's an emergency or something like this. But most of the time I never close the trade. I always say it's better to wait than lose money. I can wait for 5 months to close a trade, but I don't lose my money, because when you have 100 and you lose 50%, you close it in 50%, you're gonna have $50. But then you have to make 100% to make to get to $100 again. Means that when you lose 50%, you have to make 100% back to actually get the money that you lost. So think about it that way. It's not that easy. When you lose 50%, you gotta gain 100% to actually go back to your initial amount, the initial budget. So yeah, try not to lose, try not to close trade on a loss, because that's gonna hurt your portfolio and your trading like stuff. So yeah, that's gonna be it. I'm not gonna buy Solana now. I'm gonna wait for $55, and the second entry maybe is gonna be around $36 or $30 on the list, which is gonna be around 40% down. So if the price goes down 40%, I'm gonna buy again. So if I have $1,000, to put it simple for you, I'm gonna buy 500 here, 500 here, down here, or maybe 300, and then 400 down here, because I like to play safe. That's what I do. I do DCA, play safe, no lose money. That is the main thing when it comes to trading. I don't like to lose money, because as I said, when you lose, you gotta make way more to actually get back to your initial amount. So it's really difficult. Always try not to lose money. So yeah, remember to like, subscribe to the channel. We are gonna have videos like this every single day. You can request a technical analysis if you want any token, any technical analysis in any specific project. Let me know in the comment section, and also remember to leave a like, and I'm gonna check it out for you. I'm gonna make a trade, and then we are gonna go from there. Every day, only top 100 coins, serious trading for serious traders. We are not just making, like, we are not talking about new projects in this channel. This is only for this. I'm gonna see you guys later. Stay safe.